how are you all? This is your science class and I am a science teacher. Okay, today we are going to continue our first chapter. Chapter name is Cell, Tissue and Organ. This is the fifth lecture of chapter 1. Now take out the science book, page number 8. Okay, the first topic of lecture 5 is plants organ. What is plants organ? The main plants organ are the flower. प्लांट्स में जो मेन ऑर्गन क्या है वो फ्लावर है. वाई? विच कंटेन द प्लांट्स रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन, क्योंकि ये जो है यहाँ पे रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन मौजूद होते हैं फ्लावर में. द स्टेम एंड द लीव्स एंड द रूट्स आर द प्लांट्स ऑर्गन. ओके, विद अ टिपिकल लैंड प्लांट ग्रोइंग इन सॉइल, द रूट सिस्टम इज एवरीथिंग ग्रोइंग बिलो द ग्राउंड. रूट कहाँ आपकी ग्रो करती है? बिलो द ग्राउंड. एंड शूट सिस्टम इज एवरीथिंग अबव दिस सॉइल. ओके. Okay, the main organs of flowering plant you can see in the diagram. This is the plant and they have main organs of the flowering plant. First of all is root. Root is present under below the soil. And what is the function of the root? The root holds the plant in the soil so that doesn't blow away or fall over by bacteria. Okay, in the root hairs are present. What is the function of the root hair? You know, सॉइल में आपके मिनरल्स एंड वाटर मौजूद होते हैं, उनको जो है वो रूट हेयर लेता है, एब्जॉर्ब करता है और वो रूट तक पहुंचाता है और रूट जो है आपके पूरे प्लांट्स में जो है उसको प्रोवाइड करता है. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टेम. स्टेम क्या है? आपके प्लांट को सपोर्ट करता है और प्लांट्स को वाटर और मिनरल प्रोवाइड करता है और लीव्स में भी देता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज लीफ. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द लीफ? The leaf are the organ of photosynthesis. You know very well, photosynthesis का process जो है वो आपके leaf में ही होता है, because plants make their own food by the help of sunlight. This is known as photosynthesis. और वो food कहाँ preparation हो रही है? प्लांट के किस organ में? leaf में. So इसी वजह से leaf को जो है वो food factory भी कहा जाता है. Okay, then next one is flowering. इसे reproductive organ भी कहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे reproduction का अमल भी होता है फ्लावर में. Many flower attract insect which carry pollen between plants to bring about pollination and fertilization. Okay, जो फ्लावर होते हैं वो इंसेक्ट को अट्रैक्शन भी करते हैं और पॉलन ग्रेन जो आपके मेल से ट्रांसफ़र होकर आपके दूसरे प्लांट में जाता है. अबाउट पॉलिनेशन और फर्टिलाइजेशन का प्रोसेस भी आपका फ्लावर में ही होता है. Okay, this is our second topic of lecture 4, cell, tissue and organ. In the diagram you can see that root hair cells, secondary cells, root tissues, root and vascular bundle, and last one is transport system. Okay, in the next slide you can see that the relation between cells, tissue and organs. Okay, in this diagram you can see that palisade cells make up palisade tissue, which with other tissue makes up a leaf and organ. Then palisades, single cell of palisades, then palisade tissues, they make organ, leaf, and then make organism flowers. Okay, this is our third topic of lecture 4, the light or optical microscope. You can see the diagram. First of all, the first part of the optical microscope is of eyepieces. The lens at the top you look through usually x10 or x5 magnification. Then second one is arm. Arm support the tube and connect it into the base. Third is force focus, move the objective lens a long way quickly. Fourth one is fine adjustment, makes fine adjustment to the focus. Okay, now fourth is now nose pieces hold 2 or more objective lenses and can be turned easily to change magnifications. Objective lenses usually 3 or 4 of the different magnification. Stage, the flat piece where you place your slide. Stage clips hold the slide in place. Okay, now first is diaphragm or array, where varies the amount of light that falls on the slide. Further you can take help from textbook page number 10 and you have to label the diagram from workbook of science. Okay, this is our last topic, electron microscope. In the diagram you can see that it is an electron microscope. The best kinds of optical microscope can magnify object up to about
3000 times. Okay. The newest models are operated with a computer program and mouse, while a built-in camera can take photograph. Electron microscopes have allowed scientists to see objects that were invisible to people using light microscope. An electron microscope can show much more detail than a light microscope. From the book you can take help with from textbook page number 11.
Okay, it's time for home task. You have to write down the question in your science notebook, and you have to workbook page number 226 of chapter 1, and your first chapter is completed.